Hello and welcome to another video, and today we're going to be making a calculator project. So really simple, no DOM interactions, no HTML, no CSS, just pure JavaScript using prompt, alert maybe, and the console and the switch statement. So just basically things that we've done in the tutorial number 9 maybe, but this is how it goes. So I just write what I want to do, multiplication. What do I want my first number to be? So let's say I want to multiply 5 by 5. So I have 5 by 5 and 25 comes out in the console. So I'll keep this really short, and essentially the main aim of this project is for you to just come out of tutorial hell and just try making things that you might as well just enjoy, really. So, and also try making things that with skills that you've just learned recently. So that's why this calculator app isn't really too fancy, nothing too hard. So trying to get into that habit of just making projects as soon as you learn something. So first of all, we're gonna have a variable, actually symbol. Let symbol equal let's have it as a prompt. So in this prompt we want to ask, what do you want to do? So let's have it as a string. What do you want to do? And then let's have two numbers. So let num1 equals another prompt as we saw, and just have, what do you want your first number to be? If I can spell first correctly. And essentially let's just copy and paste this. And actually let me just toggle word wrap so that you can see the whole code, and zoom in a bit. Actually, yep, that's better. And let's have it as num2 and change first to second. So now we have three prompts that come in sequentially, and just like the example that I showed at the start. And with these prompts we have them set as variables. So the first one is symbol, num1, num2, and when, let's say I'll type something in, let's say whatever in the first prompt, that this will be saved in symbol. So symbol would then be equal to what I've written in the first prompt, and now we can use that value to actually, let's have some sort of if else or switch that we can say, if we have multiplication then we can do this with the two numbers. If we have division we can have you can do whatever. So let's just make a switch statement, whoops, and take in symbol. So now just need the curly brackets, and now we can have different cases depending on what symbol is equal to. So let's have the first case as multiplication, and obviously don't forget the colon, and let's have answer, actually let answer equal num1, let's have it as times num2. So now if I write multiplication in the first prompt, with the two numbers that we get, we can have it multiply. So now once we've done that, we can break out of it. So that means we don't enter the if else or the switch again, and the switch stops working. So let's have let's just copy and paste everything. It's going to indent by accident, I think. And just do this. And then now let's just change all the values. So multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition. And let's just change all the little symbols as well. So division, / subtraction, and addition. So now, once we have the answer, let's just have a little alert instead of console login, as I showed in the example at the start. Let's just alert your answer is, and let's just use this plus so that we can concatenate the two values, and let's have plus your answer. Save that. I've got live reload, so it's an extension, so I've got mine here, so it just reloads straight away. And let's have multiplication. I want my first number to be 6. Bit different. Not working, is it? Have I saved it? Answer has already been declared. Oh, okay. Let's just get rid of all of these lets. And let's have it as multiplication. Or, in this situation here, let's declare answer outside of the switch statement. And then now we can declare it here. Well, multiplication. I want my first number to be 5, second number to be 6, and ooh, I've broken out of, oh yes, I've broken out of all of it, so I need to add it to each one of them. So now it should be working. So let's have it as, actually let's just change it up a bit, subtraction. I want my first number to be 10, minus it by 3, and my answer is 7. So that's how you make a really quick calculator app, and hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.